it's ZW Customs here. Yeah, I tried making this video earlier and it got all jacked up and whatnot, but I've been working on the 87 T-Bird and I've got it pretty much done, and it's got a few oopses, but overall, I mean, it's not a bad model. I'll show you guys what it looks like. That's the 4-cylinder that's in there, turbocharged 2.3. Still gotta put the intake completely all together. It's only got part of it there. The actual side of it is pretty cool. These wheels I got out of the 55 streetburner, the 55 Chevy streetburner, and then I'm gonna take the wheels that came with the T-Bird. There are two sets of wheels that came with the T-Bird, and I think I'm gonna throw them on the 55, which is this right here, which has just been painted, and I gotta sand it and whatnot, and then it'll be ready to go. Other than that, yeah, I'm gonna keep working and see what I can get done. But that's just a quick little update. Peace. Oh, also, I have to give props to Custom Models. Number 1, Big Block Love, Quasi Man, Fast Jimmy 71, 2600 King. I can't think of them all, but you know who you are. Good videos. It's kind of late, but about that model contest, good job to everybody that entered in that. I didn't have a chance to enter in that, but I will enter in the next one. And if I didn't get you, then you know who you are. But more videos to come, more updates, and I need comments and subscribers, like insanely bad. You know who you guys are. You know, just hit me up with some comments. You know I'll comment you. I ain't out there hating. I'm cool with everybody. I'm a down fella to get along with. But yeah, so I have some more updates and stuff ready to come, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.